The tech world is buzzing as we gear up for the launch of some exciting new flagship smartphones. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is definitely one to watch. This device is the successor to the Xiaomi 14 Pro, which made waves when it was launched in China last October. Now rumors suggest that the Xiaomi 15 series will be unveiled by the end of this October, and we have just gotten our first look at the Xiaomi 15 Pro through some fresh renders. If you have seen earlier leaks about the Xiaomi 15 series, it turns out most were inaccurate. The design of the Xiaomi 15 Pro doesn't differ much from its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14 Pro. The squarish camera module is still positioned in the top left corner, but there is a slight change in the camera lens arrangement. This time, the LED flash has been moved out of the camera module, and while the setup still boasts 3 cameras, the fourth circle you might spot in the render is actually a time-of-flight sensor. Leica branding continues to grace the camera module, reinforcing the ongoing partnership with Xiaomi for its flagship models. We haven't yet seen what the front or side of the phone looks like, but it is rumored that the Xiaomi 15 Pro will feature a flat frame along with a micro curved display. What's also noteworthy is that the camera module is crafted from ceramic, and much like its predecessor, a titanium edition of the phone will be available featuring a premium titanium frame. Now let's dive into the specs. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset set to launch this month. It will offer up to 16 gigs of RAM and a whopping 1 TB of storage. One of the standout upgrades is the massive 6000 mAh battery, making it the largest battery in any Xiaomi flagship to date. For comparison, the Xiaomi 14 Pro had a 4800 mAh battery. Also, the Xiaomi 15 Pro supports 90 watts wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. Talking about the camera, the Xiaomi 15 Pro packs a serious punch. The primary camera features a large 50 megapixel sensor with f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization, while the ultra-wide camera also boasts a 50 megapixel sensor. Additionally, the periscope telephoto camera, powered by 50 megapixel Sony IMX858 sensor, offers 5x optical zoom. This is a notable upgrade from the 3.2x zoom in the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Up front, the selfie camera uses a 32 megapixel sensor, and the display is stunning with a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED panel made by TCL. The Xiaomi 15 Pro will run on HyperOS 2.0, and the Titanium edition will include satellite connectivity among other premium features. So, what do you think of the Xiaomi 15 Pro design and spec? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and follow Bytes for more updates. As always, I catch you in the next one.